start off with historically, we know from all of our data sets in cardiology and general medicine that smoking has all the bad things in it. I mean, it ranges from nicotine to tar to carbon monoxide to any other number of things that are in tobacco, insecticides, and then you light all that stuff on fire, and it's an instantly inflammatory process that happens. I mean, the minute somebody takes an inhalation of smoke, all of those things come together acutely, and that's an immediate cardiac risk factor. I mean, over time, there's more of a chronic process that goes on. So then the vaping aspect has been, brought up for the better part of the last decade or so in terms of whether or not it's got, a lesser risk profile than smoking does. And we've actually had some prior surgeon generals that have gotten on the boards of a variety of these different companies, interestingly, which most, if not all of them, are, overseen in an umbrella fashion by big tobacco companies. So there's been this thought that you can transition from smoking to vaping and have, a no harm, no foul type of thing, and then it's a lower risk type of situation, which, when you factor out there's no tar, there's no, probably carbon monoxide issues and all of that stuff, yeah, maybe it is a little bit lower risk, but the nicotine is still there. That's a vasospastic property, and you can look at most people that are vaping, and most are hybrid users, and so they're smoking and vaping, and that then becomes a problem because none of them will tell you that they're actually still smoking. So there's risk with both. The vaping probably does carry with it a lower risk overall, but nobody's really ever studied the long-term effect of inhaling what basically amounts to theater fog, propylene glycol, and all of the aspects of heating a filament and that type of thing, which brings its own problems into the mix.